If I had to give you one piece of life advice, can you take one guess what that could be? Guys, I'm soon going back to Italy for another food and travel adventure. I'm so excited, but this time it's going to be different. It's going to be different because... Now, if you've been following my food channel for some time now, you'd know that I love to travel. There's just something magical about traveling. I find it makes me happy before I go and also for weeks after I'm back. It breaks my daily routine, removes all my life stresses. It opens up my mind and releases my creativity. But best of all, I also find that it breaks boundaries and brings you closer to people, develops new friendships. That's why, guys, I will never stop traveling. I've partnered up with a couple of travel tour companies to bring you this exclusive Recipe 30 tour. But traveling's only part of it. The other part, or the other half, of course, is the food. This is no ordinary food tour. This is an Italian culinary adventure because you're going to taste some of the most authentic Italian cuisine cooked by Italian chefs in Italy. How could you get better than that? Plus, you'll visit some beautiful locations, some wineries. We're going to see how they make some of their prosciutto, some of the cheeses. There'll be hands-on cooking demonstrations and classes. I mean, it's just going to be all about the food and some beautiful scenery, some beautiful locations that you're going to explore in Italy. Really absorb the culture. So guys, I hope to see you in Italy with me. Click on the link below, join up, and I'll see you there. And my wife Sue will be joining us.